What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're in the Mk1 Audi TT here. We got the new GoPro on my head, so we got the official POV. We also got the DJI mount on the outside of the car for some extra footage, and I got the wireless mics on the both the engine bay and on the back license plate to capture the exhaust. So hopefully we'll get some good footage here tonight. I don't know if you guys can see this here. I'm just trying to fix the outside camera because I want to get some nice action shots. I'm looking for... There we go. We're here with the Mk1 Audi TT. Tonight we're doing just a little POV drive. I got the new GoPro on. I got the DJI mount for some extra footage right here. Should be able to get some high quality stuff. Today we are doing a POV and night drive through Hartford in my Mk1 Audi TT Quattro 225. We are on I-84 East here. We're cruising down the highway. I got the GoPro on my forehead. I got my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 mounted outside of the car. And we're driving through Hartford, man. On I-84 East. These people hate your guts out here. Hey man, but we're cruising. Some dense traffic out here, man. You guys can see the city. Boosting past the ops. Nice view of the city. We'll have to get a little pull through the tunnel here. It's an absolute must. Get off one of these exits up here soon. Let me get off. Next exit over here. fucking crazy. Look at them. Average I-84 experience right there. I'm going 70. I'm going 70. You know, funny enough, all right, my camera is still there. I have to give it a quick check. Thought I almost lost it for a second. Get back on the highway here and get on I-84 West right here, head back home, get some nice visuals this way too. Not sure what I'm going to call this video yet. POV city night drive, maybe POV aggressive city night drive, Mk1 Audi TT. I'm not sure. Coming back up on the city again. City here. Hartford, Connecticut, USA, baby. Hometown. finish this video off by just carving up some back roads. I don't think it would be a TT Travis video if I wasn't carving up the local back roads in my beautiful Mk1 Audi TT, right? Yeah, but if you're new to the channel, check out some of my other videos. I think if you like this one, you'll certainly like a lot of the other ones. I've got some like cinematic rollers. I've got, my latest video was me going over every mod. I'm gonna be pushing myself to upload every single week. You heard that right, every single week for the whole entire year. See where this YouTube thing goes, I'm not gonna be sweating. Trying to make the most perfect video every time. Sometimes it may just be like a more vlog style. Sometimes maybe I'll just be, throw the GoPro on, go for a little drive and talk about, I don't know, anything. Whether it's something happening in the automotive world, about my car, maybe just about my life, or maybe about the channel, who knows. But, I plan to do a whole bunch of stuff. This car is not nearly done. I mean, if anybody's interested in my future plans for the car, I plan to pretty much take this thing all the way. I'm gonna be buying a spare motor, I'm gonna be building it, I'm gonna be going big turbo, and we're gonna be trying to make around 500 wheel horsepower in this Mk1 Audi TT. Now that's about my 16 to 24 month plan, so that's a long ways out, but I'm gonna be building the motor myself on this channel. So if that's something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button, because that's coming.